encourage it, but just with a cautionary word.
Snap your own photographs, show them for others to see. Do you ever make cardboard cutouts of a monkey in a coconut tree? Do you ever make your own mud pies and bake them for others to taste? Do you use some leaves and twigs? I say never let one grain of sand go to waste. In your heart, you can start it right now. You're an artist right now. Do you ever draw your own comic books, show them for others to see? Pass out the books to all your friends so they can read so easily. Do you ever fake a page on a paper plate, the stars and the moon and the sun? Paint some grass and some trees, some birds and some bees. Paint the pseudo rainbow of fun. Hey, you can make anything today. You can make it your very own way. You can star in your very own TV show, broadcast it loud wherever you go. You can make what's in your heart. You can start it right now. You're an artist right now. You can start it right now. You're an artist right now. You can start it right now. You're an artist right now. You can start it right now. You're an artist right T-shirts, or design your own hats, decorate them all with rhinestones and glitter, the super sparkler out there. Do you ever write your own poetry? Does it sound like chimes where the words are all rhymes? Or write a story about watches and clocks, your own kind of story in your own kind of time? Well, thank you so much.